Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and we're gonna put a twist on the casserole today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a chicken biscuit baked casserole. You ready? Get in the kitchen, let's go. So let's get started with the ingredients for this recipe. Right here we have some canned Pillsbury biscuits. Now what I did was I cut them into 4. So I took a biscuit and then I diced it into 4 pieces like that. Shredded cheddar cheese, cream of chicken soup right here, ranch seasoning, bacon, sour cream, and right here we have some boneless chicken breast. I diced it. And right here I'm using some chicken seasoning to season our chicken. So this is all you're gonna need. Let's get to it. The first thing we're gonna do is heat up our cooktop with a little olive oil. All right, and once that heats up, you wanna add your bacon. So we're gonna start out by cooking our bacon. And we're gonna just cook this until it's crisp. All right, so it looks like we're good here. We're gonna pause our heat. I'm gonna remove our bacon. We're gonna sit it aside. We're gonna get it drained off also on some paper towels. All right, so let's unpause our heat. We're gonna leave our bacon grease in there, just add some additional flavor. We're gonna add our chicken. We're gonna season that with our chicken seasoning. We're gonna get this cooked all the way through until that internal temperature is around 165. All right, so it looks like we are good. We're gonna pause our heat with our chicken, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove this, and I'm gonna put this in a dish, and I'm gonna sit it aside because I got another batch to cook because I didn't want to overcrowd our pan while we were cooking this first batch. All right, so it looks like we are good right here with our chicken. Man, this is looking good. We're gonna turn our heat off. Same thing. We're gonna add this chicken to our other batch of chicken. We're gonna set that aside and let's head back over to our cutting board. So now it's time to assemble our casserole. So we're gonna get started by adding our chicken we just cooked to a large bowl like this. Keep all that juice in there because that is flavor. We'll come behind that with our cream of chicken soup, our sour cream, 1 cup of our cheese. We're gonna reserve the last cup for the end, our ranch season mixture, and our bacon. And we're just gonna get that a mix like this. Just like that. Guys, my apologies, looked like I wasn't recording. After I mixed those ingredients, I added our biscuits pieces in here and I gave that a quick mix. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just finalizing that mix like this. You missed something, but you didn't miss something. The only thing I did was add the biscuit pieces in there after I did that first mix. So we're gonna sit this aside. We're gonna bring over a greased bacon dish, and all we're gonna do now is take that mixture and we're gonna just pour it in here like this. I've already preheated my oven to 350 degrees. Now we're just gonna get that baby spread out evenly in our pan like this. And last but not least, we're gonna top this with the remaining of our grated cheddar cheese. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven for 25 to 35 minutes until that cheese is bubbly and those biscuits rise and they're golden, all right? And we're gonna leave this uncovered. All right, let's get it in the oven. So what you see here is after 35 minutes in the oven, as you can see, our biscuits have risen. So now what we're gonna do, I wanna brown that top. I'm gonna stick it under a broiler, let it get brown a little bit, and we're gonna come right back. All right, so this is what we have after we removed it from the broiler. Let's head over to our cutting board and we're gonna put some final garnishments on it, and then we're gonna jump into the final presentation. All right, so now we're gonna add some of that green stuff, a little parsley here. Just kind of liven up those colors. And listen, does it get any better than that? A chicken biscuit baked casserole. Guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control because I know y'all ready to see what this baby tastes like. Listen, I've been waiting to bring this to the front of the congregation, guys. Take a look at that. Let's not waste no time. Let's get some of that biscuit, some of that cheese, and some of that chicken. Oh man, let's bring that back up. Guys, take a look at that. Oh man, chicken, cheesy, biscuity. Oh man. Man, that biscuit add a touch to it. Oh man, look at that cheese. I know somebody gonna say, well, I don't eat sour cream. Can't taste the sour cream. Add the sour cream. Just helps to keep it all moist and not dry out. That's it. That's it. So guys, definitely add this to your list, to the end. Y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. Remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace. Oh man.